damas y caballeros, I am Aubrey Valenzuela, the creator of Cañon de Yerbua. In this performance task, we are assigned to create a miniature of Cañon. First of all, let me introduce to you the materials that I use. The PVC pipes or tube for the head of the cannon. After that, I use the hair dryer to preheat its surface. Next, I use cardboard to make the body and wheels. In addition for that, I also use tissue paper with glue for the coating of the whole cannon to achieve its ideal shape and figure. In order the body of the cannon to be stronger, I use barbecue sticks to support its foundation. This stick is also the one that I use for the cannon to lock on its specific firing angle. In order the bullet to be launched, I use 5 pieces of rubber bands. Lastly, the coloring materials help my cannon to look like a Cañon de Guerra. The design of Cañon de Yerbua is originally created by Mr. Aubrey Valenzuela. The name of the cannon is related to my nickname, which is Yerbua. This cannon was inspired in the game of Clash of Clans, which is simple but upgradable. I use color green for its body because this is one of my favorite color. This symbolizes the color of life, renewal, nature, and energy, growth, harmony, freshness, safety, fertility, and environment. For the gray, it symbolizes neutrality and balance. In overall, this cannon represents myself. For the operation and functionality, I used rubber bands for the bullet to be launched, and also, I used sticks to determine and lock its firing angles. For more details, I have here some video to show how my cannons launch in different directions. For watching my virtual presentation. Have a nice day and God bless you.